So this is the old front end. As you can see, it's got the old Intensity Spotties that it came with. Now they're great, and they're a stayer. I mean, they've been around for a long time, but I've got the newer Solis driving lights here, which I've got these in the Spot. Okay, so it's got a longer throw. If you have a look around on the back here, it tells you all about it. As you can see, it throws out to, like, that's over a kilometre, 1,032 metres. And then there's 5 settings on these as well, with the buttons that you get in them, so you can tone them down a little bit or tone them up, so that they go maximum. And I mean, when I had these on my previous car, they actually drove around with them most of the time on the 3 setting, which is like midway. So you got 2 settings above that. So yeah, it should be good. And I'm going to actually up on the roof. I'm going to actually probably either put a great big light bar up there, or 2 side by side double shorter light bars, and see how they go. And I've got the Y-Pack smoked. You see there, smoked LED front end lights. So I'm going to put that in there today, so it actually look like it's got some lights and it'll look complete before I start wiring it all up. So stick with me. I'm going to whack this on the time lapse and see how we go.